Hello, all, welcome back once again. Hope you all are doing good and safe in your home and wherever you are, and hoping that this deadly condition will better soon. This is again a lunch vlog that I have taken 2 months before, and I was in a confusion that should I post this or not because the mud chicken we have done at that day was a flop. Then I think that why should we focus only on our right? We are human beings, we did mistakes, and we are learning from mistakes. Then I just think that I will post this and you can also understand what are the mistakes we have done and learn from it. Hence this vlog, keep watching. At that day for lunch, we had mud chicken and veg pulao, and I am not showing the detailed recipe of veg pulao. If you want the recipe, I will show it in another video. To marinate the chicken, we decided to make a green marination. For the green marination, we need coriander leaves and mint leaves, a bunch each, 8-9 shallots, a whole garlic, a medium size of ginger, and 8-9 green chilies, and a tablespoon of fennel seeds, handful of curry leaves too. I didn't add any masala powder to it, added salt according to the taste, and this we are done at the previous day night. It is better to marinate the chicken or anything to get the best taste in the previous day. This is the basmati rice used for veg pulao, and it is better to use only basmati rice, not biryani rice. This is the first mistake we have done. What we did was we used the normal soil full of tiny stones. It is not best for cooking mud chicken. Then we were trying to separate the soil part from it. However, it will tend to break when the heat gets. That's what happens to us. These plantain leaves are for covering chicken. Cover the chicken firstly with these plantain leaves, then tying with a twine. After covering with the plantain leaves, then covering with the aluminium foil paper. Then last covering is with the mud we prepared by adding water. As I said, we use the normal soil, so in fear of breakage of the soil, we place the chicken on 2 tiles pieces. This is the water kept for boiling by adding whole spices for the veg pulao. This is the first step for veg pulao. We need to cook the rice and vegetables together first and drain off the water. Frying onions to garnish the veg pulao. Mistake number 2. We use a lot of firewoods to cook the chicken. That is about for 2 hours, and it's only need 1.5 hours to cook the chicken. Now it's time for dum processing of veg pulao. To an heated aluminium vessel, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Then spreading cooked vegetables and rice as first layer. Secondly, added a handful of coriander leaves. Then the chopped pineapple pieces. And lastly, roasted cashews, raisins and onions. Then again repeating the steps and kept for dum process. Now it's time for mixing the rice and vegetables together after about half an hour. Now comes the sad and flop part of this vlog. Look what happens to our chicken. And that's the story of a flop mud chicken. We got only 50 or 40% of the chicken. And friends, ends this vlog too. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do consider that and give your valuable suggestions and feedbacks.